Prospect A. This virtual reality presentation highlights the many direct and indirect hydrocarbon indicators on this prospect. These indicators are pre-stack and post-stack amplitude and inversion results that together lead to a high probability of the accumulation of producible hydrocarbons in the form of gas. Virtual seismic reality is new. This is how it works. Start with a familiar seismic display, add lighting, rotate and pop out the amplitudes, add color if desired, and animate. First, we will look at crossline 1448 through the prospect, highlighting the amplitude variation with offset. We will morph from 5 degrees to 35 degrees. As we do, notice that whereas the amplitudes outside the prospect area decrease, the amplitudes inside either remain the same or increase. You will now see the same responses on inline 2584 at the possible drilling location. Using a horizon slice, we will now look at the AVO response at the top of the prospect. You will see similar response throughout the prospect area. Here we will watch as we slice up through the prospect, observing the amplitudes as they onlap onto the reservoir top. Now we will look at a post-stack attribute called sweetness that differentiates hydrocarbon sand from shales. Now we will look at potential reservoir leakage. The vertical striping and hoodoo-like features are only in the prospect area and are proposed to be reservoir leakage. Let's now look at possible polarity reversals at the edge of our prospect as we leave the potential hydrocarbon accumulations and move into the wet reservoir. Let's proceed to AVO anomalies at the top and base of the sand reflectors by highlighting them in intercept and gradient cross-plot space. Reds are top reservoir and yellows are bottom reservoir. Finally, we will overlay flat spot indicators to highlight the bottom and possible gas-water interfaces. Thank you for watching.